Here is the brand new Ringconn Gen 2. This one, if it focuses, is the Future Silver color. This one is the matte black color. Let's get it opened and see what they look like. Ooh, that ripped. Yeah, a little bit thicker plastic right here in the middle, it seems, from the ends. But we'll just do that. Put these over in the trash. You can see the rest of the box is all plain. Nothing on the box except for that bottom part that we just showed. And we pull this guy out. And that's what it looks like. They are showing 4 colors. This one is not available at this time. It may be something coming shortly since it just shipped the Kickstarter. So we've got a couple barcodes there, but you can see the details. And oh, there's another pull thingy. A little bit hard to do with one hand, so bear with me on this. There's that, and then there's another one on this side. There we go. Put that little guy in the trash and back over here. Slowly coming, slowly coming. Not opening on this side. There it is. All right, so we can see this kind of bounced out of the spot that it should have been resting in, but that's how it should arrive. So over here, we've got what looks to be some fun paperwork. So we've got this first one. Looks like just how to set up, use the ring with the app, things like that you might want to read later. And trying to get the other paperwork out here. We've got this one, which is going to be your safety instructions, content, medical disclaimers, and all the other yada yada stuff in various languages. So those two, and that is everything that comes in the paper sleeve. Here you've got a nice braided charging cable. Sorry if that was off the camera. Nice braided charging cable. Looks to be a Type C to Type C, both ends. So we'll put that back here. We will need that in a bit. This is going to be your charging case. This thing actually is a battery pack, so it charges the ring on the go. And trying to flip it open. There we go. You can see the light goes on, indicating that it has some power. There's your charging port. And finally, what everyone came to see, your ring. It's got a bit of a nice texture to it. It doesn't feel too hard or too soft. It's got nice rounded edges here. You can see and feel these bumps right here to help it be identified so that you know that it's on the bottom when you have it on your finger. Because of those bumps, it shouldn't spin around too much, but this is not the finger that I'm going to wear it on, but you can just kind of see what it'll look like. And let's put that here. You can see the ring.